This Kaizen Realty LLC property video is presented by Josh Holley. Welcome to a little slice of heaven. Located in Fayette County and offering 18.94 beautiful acres. Recently remodel ranch-style split floor plan west/3 bed 2 baths. Sit on your 35 front porch overlooking your stocked pond or relax on your 25 screened-in back patio. 23 by 20 detached garage that has been finished out and converted into a gym. 40 by 30 barn west/additional 12 overhang. Barn has water, electric and 4 stalls leading to the fully fenced area for horses. For more information, review the details below or contact Josh Holley at 901-221-4041.